Welcome to the Tracksha's dealer app platform. This Tracksha tutorial will guide you step by step in 5 simple steps. Learn how to securely log in to your dealer account, how to add company under your dealer panel, see how to add new GPS device for tracking, learn how to access detailed reports and use smart features, and how to replay vehicle journeys and review trip history. Now that we've completed this section, let's log into the dealer account and continue further. First, open the Tracksha app and log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you will land on the main dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, we'll move to the Add Company section to create a new company profile. Go to Settings and tap on Companies. Here, you can add a new company in 2 ways. Tap the Add Company button below or click the 3 dots and select Add. In this section, we learn how to add a new company inside the Tracksha platform. If the company have logo, then select logo from here. First, enter the company name in the name field. Next, provide a unique username, mobile number or email address that will be used for login access. Set a secure password for the account. You can click the eye icon to preview the password before saving. Enter the contact phone number and complete address details for the company. Country and state are preset by default. Simply enter the city name. Time zone and format settings are pre-configured but can be adjusted if required. If applicable, enter the GST number for billing or compliance purposes. The tracking link expiry option allows you to define how long shared tracking links will remain active. You can disable the account if you want to block login access temporarily. Once all the required details are filled, click the Save button to create the company account. Now that the company is created, let's move ahead and add a new device. Click on Settings, then select Devices. If multiple companies are available, select the company from the list. After selecting the company, tap on the Add Device button. First, enter the device name. Then enter the device identifier or IMEI number. Provide the SIM number associated with the device. If required, enter a secondary SIM number, then select the device model from the drop-down list. Once the model is selected, the system automatically displays the server IP address and port number required for device configuration. Then choose the device type, such as car or bike, and many more. After that, select the appropriate tracking package. Odometer, fuel capacity, and mileage are optional fields and can be added based on your requirements. Choose the validity period for the device subscription. Then assign the device to a device group if you have any. Set the distance tolerance value if required. Now let's understand the ignition wired option. In Tracksha, we currently support 2 types of devices: magnetic devices and wired devices. The ignition wired option should be enabled only if the device is fully connected to the vehicle's ignition wire. For magnetic devices or power-only wired devices, keep this option unchecked. Now let's talk about the immobilized feature. The immobilized feature works only with fully wired devices that support engine power cut. When enabled, it allows you to remotely stop the vehicle's engine for security purposes. In the Set Alert section, you can configure notifications for overspeed, ignition, and idle activity. Simply select the required alert type to receive real-time updates for that device. You can edit these alerts anytime from Settings under the Alerts section. Once all the required information is entered, click Save to successfully add the device. That's how you can quickly add and configure a new tracking device in Tracksha. Now that the device setup is complete, let's move on to Reports, System Features, and the Playback function. Now, let's move to the Activity section. Click on the Reports icon from the bottom menu. Select the company from the list. Here, you can view detailed activity reports for the selected company's devices. Select the Travel report to view the vehicle's movement details. At the top, you can see the total distance covered for the selected date. Below that, running time, stop time, idle time, and inactive duration are displayed. The report also shows the start and end location of the journey. At the bottom, you can view the average speed and maximum speed recorded during travel. To export this report, click on the three dots in the top right corner. You can download the report as PDF, XLS, or CSV format. You can also change the view type. Select Table View to see summarized data in a structured format. Select Card View to switch back to the detailed layout. To filter the report by date, tap on the calendar icon. You can choose from today, yesterday, last 7 days, this week, last week, this month, or last month. You can also select a custom date range as required. Tap on the device name to view detailed travel analytics. Here, you can see a graphical representation of the distance covered. Below that, the trip start time, end time, total distance, running time, stop time, and idle duration are displayed. This provides a complete overview of the vehicle's travel activity. Now, go to the activity section then, select the trip report. At the top, you can see the total number of trips completed for the selected date. It also displays the total distance covered and alert count, if any. Below that, running time, stop time, idle time, and inactive duration are shown. You can also see the first ignition on time and the last ignition off time with location details. To view all trips, tap on the total trips count displayed on the screen. Once selected, the system shows the complete list of individual trips. Each trip displays the start time, start location, and end location. It also shows the total distance covered and trip duration. If any alerts were triggered during the trip, they will be displayed here. Tap on a specific trip to view detailed trip analytics. You will see the route plotted on the map with start and end points clearly marked. Below the map, detailed trip information is displayed, including speed, duration, distance, and alert count. You can also see the average and maximum speed recorded during that trip. This allows you to analyze each trip with complete tracking details. Similarly, from the activities section, you can access stoppage, idle, and other reports. Each report gives you detailed insights based on your selected date range and vehicle. Now, let's move to the playback feature. First, go to the status dashboard and select the company from the list. Once the company is selected, the list of available devices will appear. Select the device for which you want to view the playback. After selecting the device details screen will open. At the top, you can see the vehicle name along with the last updated time, running duration, and device validity. On the map, the current location of the vehicle is displayed along with its movement path. The speed indicator shows the current speed of the vehicle. Below the map, the system displays the complete address of the vehicle's current location, along with quick options such as navigate, find nearby, and street view. Now, scroll up to view more insights about the selected vehicle. Here you can see speed analytics, including the average speed and maximum speed recorded. In the Today's Activity section, you can view a summary of the vehicle's activity for the day, including total distance traveled, running time, stop time, idle time, and inactive duration. You can also view the Alerts section, where all alerts generated for the selected vehicle are displayed. Now, tap on the playback option. Next, select the required date range from the date filter. You can choose today, yesterday, last 7 days, or a custom range. Use the play button to start replaying the vehicle movement. You can pause the playback, adjust the speed, and monitor running, stop, and idle activity on the panel. With the playback feature, you can easily review the complete trip history along with detailed movement and activity insights. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the Tracksha support team.